We go now live. We go now live to an update. Josh Albrecht's back deck.
Yeah.
Where are we on the project? What's our timeline?
Well, thanks, Steve. Yeah, so live here from the backyard.
Live here from a backyard. We've already got 38 man-hours into this thing, and we are no closer to completion than before. Back to you in the studio.
That's not that far off. No, so we got the whole thing, for the most part, demoed. The thing is now we're down to the posts. Some of the posts need to be replaced, which includes a lot of digging and pouring of concrete and things that I cannot do. Lucky for me, we have Brewer Contracting. Ken's going to stop by and help me out.
There we go.
Yeah.
Help you out, meaning you're going to pay for his professional services.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Of course. Yeah. No, right, I'm getting a fat estimate today, but no, that's work that's above my pay grade.
Okay. So when you started tearing up boards because you stepped through the second one in a short span of time and thought, that's it, this thing's got to go.
Yeah.
Did you think for a second you'd be into the post-replacement business?
No.
Yeah.
I got all the way to post-replacement in my head and in reality. Hit that mark, went, nope, Brewer Contracting. Ken, need your help.
You know what? You did make sure you have it good and bleeped up before you end up calling somebody to help you out. I like that style.
Yeah.
I like that style.
If you had known it would have been this, would you simply have replaced the boards that broke and said the whole deck is a problem for future Josh, and future Josh is not home right now?
No.
Goodbye.
No, I couldn't, because that's what past Josh did for 3 years, was just replace boards. Since I started this, I have personally, myself, gone through 4 separate boards in the process of replacing this. Julie went through one, and Jordy, who is not a big boy,
he
almost went through
as
one.
much as a Easter bunny.
Right. I mean, it was to the point where it was a hazard.
That was that when you realized that it wasn't just like a you problem, like that there's
a little part of me was like, well,
thank God. Okay.
It's the deck, not me. Okay. All right. Good.
Did you give Brewer Contracting any money?
Not yet, but I'm going to be.
Well, here's why I ask. A plywood ramp and mulch is still
in play. Yeah,
it's still in play.
Yep. Yeah. Yep.
Plywood ramp, reinforced, obviously, ADA compliant,
of course.
so it's wheelchair accessible. Yep. Mulch on the ground, and then shrubbery to cover up the side of your house, which will look disfigured once you remove the deck. This is all in play.
Yep.
It is. I could write you an estimate for this that you would say, wow, that's it?
Go ahead. Give me that estimate.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Plywood ramp, $418. Mulch, going to need about 20 cubic yards of it. It's call it another 110. Yep. Labor, about 12, 15 man hours. Shrubbery.
About a 4-beer job.
Let's see. We'll probably want to get you some evergreens, maybe some hollies, maybe
trees are expensive
Leland
too.
cypresses.
And we're working
under
on them
$1,000. Under $1,000 easy. Easy. In fact, $859. Let me just add it up here.
And then factor in counseling, divorce lawyer,
$59.62.
Realtor, sell the house. Yeah.
Do you have an HOA?
No.
You're good.
Yeah, thank God. Nope.
Are you
I
worried
did my
about-
work. I put in the sweat equity. Now it's time for the professionals.
Now it's time for more sweat.
Proud of you.
Thank you.
So wait, is Ken going to do just the footings, or is he going to then put the board?
He's going to finish this.
No, he's finishing it.
Let's go.
I ran the first leg. It's time.
Yes.
It's time.
That's what's
We're
up,
going
dude.
to Great Midwest Bank.
Yep.
I'm taking out 1 loan.
What?
2 loans.
What?
3 loans.
What?
A home equity line.
What?
4th loan.
What?
5th loan.
What? Amen. Good for you, dude. Now you just got to make sure you have one of those drinky poos and just watch Canada's boys
thank you.
do it.
I can't wait.
Drinky